Now the next topic is combination of cell. Suppose we have more than two cells in series combination. Then how will we draw it? This is the one cell. This is the second cell. And so we have n cells and there is an external resistance capital R. Here we have small r up to n turn. And capital EMF, got it? Now what we have? We have let n cells of internal resistance R and EMF E are connected in series combination. First we are doing series combination. Then net EMF. What about net EMF? E equivalent. Suppose we have capital E EMF for this cell, capital E for this, and we have n cells such of. Then we will net EMF E plus up to n or NE. Is it clear or not? Suppose here we have electromotive force of 6 volt. Got it? Then suppose it has a 0 potential, then it should be at 6 volt. Now we have a 6 volt EMF cell. Then if the end A, B, C, we have at 6 volt, then definitely the second end of cell should be at the 12 volt. Got it? Next, it means if we have used n cell, then the potential V is added up by the n term. Got it? Then we have NE. The total EMF included in this circuit is NE. Got it? As first end at 0 volt, then next end at E volt, and next end at E volt means 2E, next end at E volt means 3E, and up to N means NE. The total EMF will be NE. Got it? Now what we have? The total resistance or equivalent resistance or effective resistance. अब से पहले हम सेल का रेजिस्टेंस कंसीडर ही नहीं करते थे because it is much smaller than external resistance. But if we are considering the internal resistance, then what we have, the effective resistance or equivalent resistance will be, as these cells are in series, then definitely these resistance are also in series. Then what we have? NR, internal resistance of N cells, and the total charge which is flowing through these cells also flowing this resistance, means these cells are with the external resistance R as series combination. Then effective resistance of series will simply by add up, then the effective resistance will be NR plus R. Now the total current, or we can find the current I is equal to E equivalent upon R equivalent. E equivalent is NR combination. Then condition case first for one cell. For one cell n is equal to 1, then we have I is equal to E upon R plus R. Got it? For small r is much smaller than capital R, then we have I is equal to E upon R, which we already taken earlier, that total current of circuit should equal to total EMF upon total resistance, and which we have considered only external resistance. Now we are doing with cell with internal resistance, then we will consider the internal resistance also. Now if for R is, here we have to write capital R, as we have neglecting the capital small r. Got it? For small r is greater than R. Suppose we have small r is greater than R, then what we have? We will neglect this R, not this. Then we have the formula I is equal to E upon small r. This is the total current when we neglect small r. The smaller term neglect, here we neglect, R is neglected. The question can arise by given the condition, means if we have small r is much smaller, then what about the current? Then we will write this formula. If we have small r is much, capital R is much smaller than internal resistance of cell, then we will write the formula I is equal to N upon R for one cell, and if we have N cell, then I is equal to NR upon NE upon NR. This is the total current passing through the circuit when small r is much smaller, capital R is much smaller than small r. Got it? Now next condition, next case we will study about the parallel. Second condition, second combination can possible. Parallel combination. Suppose we have n cells one cell is this, second cell is this, and such type of cells we have n cells in series combination. R internal resistance, then capital E EMF, capital E EMF. Now listen, what this is the capital R external resistance. What we have? The let n cells of EMF E and internal resistance R connected in parallel combination. Then effective EMF, or we can say potential. What is E effective? E equivalent. Listen, the EMF between these 2 points is capital E. The EMF between these 2 points is capital E. Definitely the EMF between these 2 points for n the cell should equal to E. Got it? It means the EMF, the equivalent EMF of the circuit will work only E. not NE. This is the difference for series and parallel. Now, effective resistance. Listen, the charge which is flowing through the R resistor is divided at this point 2, at this point is 2, or we can design this resistor as the charge which is flowing capital R resistor is divided into N arms, N side. It means this is in the series combination of this parallel combination. As it is divided into N part, means small r is the equivalent resistance of cells. N cells will be R upon N, and the combination of cell is with series combination of R. Then we will write here capital R. This is the effective resistance of parallel combination of cell with external resistance R. Got it? Here we will use small r as parallel, but capital R will be in the series of this combination, as the charge, total charge flowing through this R resistor is divided into N part. Got it? Now, what we will do? Effective current, total current, then current. I is equal to E equivalent upon R equivalent. E equivalent is L, and R equivalent we can write here R plus NR divided by N, or I is equal to E upon R plus NR into N. What is the difference for series and parallel? When we have considered series combination, then we have I is equal to NE upon NR plus R. And here we have I is equal to NE upon R plus NR. Got it? Now, as small r is much smaller than NR, then we can neglect. Then I is equal to NE upon NR or E upon R. For one cell, N is equal to 1, then also we have I is equal to E upon N plus R. No, R plus R. Got it? Now listen. If we have series combination, means it is, then EMF current will increase. EMF will increase and current will increase if we neglect this term. Got it? Then current will increase. And if we have parallel combination and we will neglect this, then current will decrease on taking the N resistors, as here N in denominator also. Got it? Means current will be NE, E upon R. And if we are taking the series combination of N cell, then current will increase as EMF will increase. This is the difference of combination of cells. That's all about the combination of cells.